What's up? I'm just saying what's up.
I thought I was introing it.
Okay, you can.
Hey! Okay, so today we're gonna do a few science experiments. Now, before you think, I'm not in school, I don't wanna do science. Hold your horses, because these ones are gonna be a lot of fun and with things that you have at home.
Sure.
Now make sure that you have a parent that is gonna do these with you. No, you're not gonna get hurt. No, none of it is, you're not gonna put any of it in your mouth or in your eyes or anything like that. You're just gonna have some fun with it, okay? So to this one, I am going to teach Pastor Braley here what we're gonna do and how we're gonna do it.
It's true, because I don't know how any of this works.
Right.
Like, I don't even know what we're doing.
Okay, so first step, put on your protective gloves.
Perfect.
This is actually just going to, I don't even think these gloves are gonna fit you.
They're so small.
Your skin's not gonna get hurt, it's just more the fact that we're working with food coloring. So if you dye your fingers,
Man,
that's great.
it's so small.
That's great.
It's so small.
Okay,
All right.
like they barely even fit me, but we look
gracious. Okay.
we look legit.
That's about like.
I don't know what your problem is.
You're too small.
Braley is already failing at this science experiment. First step, okay.
This is such a good time. My hands are so small. Okay.
Okay. First thing that you're gonna need is some sort of a clear container.
Perfect.
Okay? So,
What if we don't have one of those?
just use a cup.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, like a glass cup.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yay.
Perfect. I love it. It's
Okay.
really funny when you clap.
That probably sounds awful on that mic.
It probably does. It
Okay.
probably does.
If you want to hand me that water.
Boom.
Okay. So first thing you're gonna do is you are going to pour water into the bottom of that vase or vase if we want to get fancy more.
Oh. How much more? Tell me when.
When? Okay.
That was easy.
Done with that. See, so simple.
Did you watch this? There's like
No, I did not. It's fine. If you want to grab that oil, so this is your cooking oil. You'll have to ask mom for this.
Yeah.
So
Don't spill this on yourself. You'll be really slippery. Like it's really
I think you're
oily.
gonna say you're gonna burn yourself. I'm gonna say we're not getting it straight out of the skillet.
You will burn yourself. Grease burn.
Okay, so you're gonna pour that on top of
Your hand.
the water.
I don't want to do that. Is it? All right.
Okay.
Cool. Ready?
Yep, I'll tell you when. You're pouring so slow.
Do I need to go faster?
Sure thing.
Emma. Anytime? Any win?
Any win.
Any? Wow, this is crazy.
Okay, you can stop. So you're gonna see that the oil and the water are going to separate a tad.
Yeah, they are. It's weird. It's like the water's on the bottom.
Yep. Okay, so next,
I'm gonna hit the lid
I
back
did
on.
ask Pastor Braley what color he liked for this, but he still doesn't know what we're doing. And he said he wanted to use blue. So we're gonna use that. So this is blue food coloring.
That looks like a little miniature gnome.
It does. We should draw a face on it. Okay, if you want to put several drops in this oil and water mixture,
Why is this lid on?
do you need someone strong to open it for you?
It scared me. I didn't want to
Okay.
spray it all over this. All right, ready?
Yep.
Just a couple drops.
Oh yeah.
1, 2. That it?
No, keep going. Have some fun. You're gonna see
4,
the droplets
5,
stay formed and they're
6,
going to sink to the
7,
very bottom.
8, 9, 10, 11.
Apparently this is
12,
not a science
13,
experiment, it's a
14,
counting lesson.
15, 16, 17, 18,
I think that's great.
19, 19. Don't do any
Okay.
more or any less.
You absolutely can. Okay, next we have a couple Alka-Seltzer tablets over there. You can also use aspirin, specifically aspirin. Do not ingest any of this, which means don't put it in your mouth, okay?
Okay.
So if you want to hand me one as well, okay? And then we'll keep one in the middle for good measure. How about that? Okay, So what we're going to do is drop the Alka-Seltzer into the mixture, and what it's supposed to do, we'll see if it really happens.
Whoa, it's spreading into
Okay, it is going to create what looks like a lava lamp.
Whoa, do you not need more water?
Do you want to do this?
Okay, here, go ahead.
Okay, ready?
All right.
Set, go.
What's it gonna do?
Once it starts dissolving, it's going to create a lava lamp feel.
It's moving. Look at it. Look at the bubbles.
That's so fun!
Look at that. It's like a real live lava lamp.
And this aspirin is supposed to work with this as well. Again, not like ibuprofen or whatever, but
That's
actual
so
aspirin.
Cool.
Isn't that so fun?
You guys see this? Look at this. Look at that. It looks like a lava lamp. It's all bubbling.
So fun. So, Pastor Braley, do you think this is something you can do on your own?
Totally could do this on
Do you
your
think this is something you're gonna do alone later on your own, like just for funsies?
Yes, probably.
So fun. Alrighty, well that's it for that science experiment.
No, knock it over. Do not spill this.
Don't spill it.
True. That's so cool.
So fun. You guys can,
It sounds like soda. Like
Yeah.
you pour like Sprite in a glass.
so much fun.
It's like.
That's it for that one. Are you ready for the next one?
I'm ready for the next one.
All right.